Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh. My USN is 1MS17EE065. My topic of interest is text recognition. The IEEE paper I have chosen is Image Processing Technology for Text Recognition. And these are the contents of my presentation. Problem statement, introduction, character recognition system, text detection and recognition system, results and conclusion, better approach. Problem statement. Character recognition in commercial advertising images, text detection and recognition in natural scenes. These are the problem statements. The next is introduction. Image recognition and optical character recognition technologies have become an integral part of our everyday life due to increasing power of computing and availability of scanning devices. Attempts have long been made to design computer programs which can read printed documents with the objective of improving efficiency by converting documents into electronic files in an automated manner. Systems capable of recognizing text in images and converting it into characters for editing on a computer are known as optical character recognition systems. Printed documents can be quickly converted into digital text files through optical character recognition and then can be edited by the user. Consequently, minimal time is required to digitalize documents. This is particularly helpful when archiving volumes of printed material. In this paper, they have mainly discussed about two systems. The first system is character recognition system for cosmetic related advertising images. The second system is text detection and recognition system for natural sense. Now let's discuss about the first system, which is character recognition system for cosmetic related advertising images. The methodology of the system is shown in the figure. The steps involved in this system are: the first one is image pre-processing, and the second one is establishing counters and detecting the region of interest, and the third one is character recognition. The image pre-processing techniques employed in this study are edge detection, binarization, and erosion and dilation. Edge detection. Edge detection is commonly used technique for image recognition and computer vision. It is used to detect meaningful and continuous spots in the grayscale of an image. Through edge detection, the image is sliced into several discrete regions. Common edge detection algorithms include Sobel filtering, Laplacian filtering, and Canny edge detection. Here they have employed Sobel filtering algorithm. The results of the binarization after performing edge detection using Sobel filtering is shown in the figure. And the next is erosion and dilation. Erosion and dilation are two techniques often employed for morphological image processing to process and analyze the shapes in an image. Through erosion and dilation, subtle noise in the image can be removed while retaining the outer contour of the text area. The noise removal result after applying erosion and dilation is shown in the figure. And the next step is establishing contours and detecting the region of interest. After image pre-processing is completed, the contours of the text area are identified and the region of interest is detected, which is shown in the figure. And the next step is character recognition. Upon completing the pre-processing operations, the character recognition is performed on the text area detected in the text image. Character recognition is a process of recognizing individual words from an image. This study used Tesseract OCR, an open source tool released by the Google project in combination with Python and text recognition. Now let's discuss about the second system, that is text detection and recognition system for natural scenes. The methodology of the system is shown in the figure. The steps involved in the system are: the first step is operating the Raspberry Pi camera and detecting the target object containing the text. And the second step is image pre-processing. And the third step is establishing contours and detecting the region of interest. The fourth step is character recognition. The second system proposed in this study detects text in natural scenes by using a camera connected to a Raspberry Pi. The detected text is automatically input into a database, replacing the manual key in of text by workers. This reduces the labor required for the job. In the first step of this process, the cascade classifier provided by OpenCV was used to detect target objects. In this study, the objects were text. The classifier has a pre-trained future model that can detect faces, eyes, and pedestrians, which is shown in the figure. The future model is established through training of hundreds of positive samples with identical attributes. These samples are resized to specific dimensions. Additionally, the same operations are performed on negative samples, images not containing the target attributes. The greater the difference between the positive and negative samples, the better will be the result. Once the training is complete, the classifier can be used to detect objects identical to the positive samples. The detected object is identified in a mark. This study uses a trained classifier to perform object detection, which is shown in the figure. The second step, after detecting an object containing text, image preprocessing is performed as discussed in first system. After the image preprocessing, the detection of region of interest and character recognition also same as in the case of first system. Results and conclusion. In this paper, two recognition systems are based on image processing and OCR technology. The image processing algorithm was used to test the data set and highlight the text areas in the data set. Tesseract OCR was employed to recognize text. The recognition result revealed that the proposed method was highly effective at extracting text from the images at a 93% of accuracy, which is shown in the figure. Better approach. Here they used Sobel edge detection to detect the edges in the images, but we can use a canny edge detection system which detect a wide range of edges in the images. Image enhancement can be done after capture of the image in natural scenes, which will reduce noise in the image. Here they use Chinese alphabet. If we use English alphabet and numbers, we will get the better accuracy. Thank you.